Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you're tired of working for somebody else, you're tired of working for the man, you're ready to go full-time crypto, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you. Keep you up to date daily with the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoins setups, and ideas. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin had a nice little double bottom bounce. The bulls here need to put in a higher high, essentially a break above 14,000 to avoid like a potential head and shoulders type pattern. I mean, wouldn't necessarily play out for sure, but just becomes more of a possible with a move to the downside here. Now you've got a possible, about to be confirmed bullish MACD cross, but still, room for a move to the upside. Have to break this overhead resistance, 13,800, 14,000. It's gonna be tough to break for the bulls. There's a lot of quick upside if that happens. Now overall, if this bearish rising broadening wedge breaks to the downside, you're looking at 12,200, possibly 12,000. Okay, right now your stochastic's headed higher. Real quick update on this 4-hour Bitcoin chart we were just looking at. So you can see that the bulls have pushed the price above 14,000. I mean, they need to close this candle above 14,000. You got about 22 minutes left on this candle close, but again, 14,400, potentially 14,800 if this breakout of this overhead resistance is confirmed for Bitcoin. Again, you got a potential breakout of this falling wedge down here on the RSI, as well as bullish MACD cross. You've got your stochastic RSIs headed higher as well. Just want to get this quick update. Again, 22 minutes is not quite confirmed yet, so waiting on confirmation here. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart, just to run you through some of these charts we've been going over. You can see we talked about this oversold bounces, this double bottom down here, and we were looking for a bounce to the upside. We did get that bounce, and then I was looking for a bearish retest of this triangle. Bearish retest, move to the lower trend line. Boom, got this move to the lower trend line. Then, if the trend line holds, you get a double bottom and a bounce, move to the upside. Boom, double bottom, bounce, move to the upside. So Bitcoin looks like it broke out of this trend line, this falling wedge. But at the end of the day, still you've got this major overhead resistance up here, 13,800, 14,000. Okay, your stochastic right now is overbought. Now what's happening is the whales have, and so this is a heat map, And you see, these are all the sellers, right? These are all the sellers. These are sell walls, 13,780, 13,800. And you can see these large sell orders stacked on Binance, 395 Bitcoin, 346 Bitcoin, 124 Bitcoin. They move these around, but the whales are potentially, they want to keep this price in this range. Okay, so they've been kind of just flipping this around back and forth, making sure that Bitcoin stays in this range. Manipulation in crypto. Who knew? Now, not to say that, you know, some buyers show up. They can break through this overhead resistance. And again, you've got some upside, potentially 14,400, 14,800 possibly after that. But again, the buyers have to show up. The Bitcoin bulls would have to show up to punch through this overhead resistance for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group. This person said, I started watching your YouTube videos. I made almost $2,000 over the last week and a half. This person, I've made $14,000 since I joined your group 2 months ago. I could have made even more if I would have taken profits sooner. Hey, just the fact that somebody learned to take profits, not ride these altcoins down, like that's huge. 14,000 is pretty good for 2 months. 2 months in the trading group. This person messaged me. I want to say thank you. I've got the confidence to leave my 9-to-5 job and do this full time because of you. I now lead a happier, more balanced and purposeful life. Listen, life is not about working for somebody else, making somebody else rich, getting up at 9 o'clock every day, clocking out at 5. Like, dude, for me, I could never do it again. This market offers one of the biggest financial opportunities of our lifetime. We have to take full advantage of it. You can learn a few of these basics. I get you up to speed before this market takes off. These altcoins are going to skyrocket next time. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. If you previously emailed me, the wallet addresses that I sent you have been updated. So again, before you send crypto payments, go to cryptorev.net for the correct new updated deposit addresses. Let's make some money. This is breaking news. Nearly $1 billion in Bitcoin from the 4th largest wallet was just moved. So if we go down here, we look at the wallet, you can see 4th largest, close to $1 billion in Bitcoin. Almost 70,000 Bitcoin were just moved. The wallet was created in 2013, but there hasn't been any movement. There hasn't been any outflow activity since 2015. Now the top wallet address here is Huobi's cold wallet. I mean, could this be an exchange wallet? They made this billion dollar Bitcoin move. Is that what this is? Or are we about to see some massive moves out of Bitcoin? Whale alerts. Keep you guys updated on this. Top 100 richest Bitcoin addresses. Number 4 just moved it all. Huge news. This is a chart. It shows that people are pulling their Bitcoin off of exchanges. Essentially, the price is going up for Bitcoin, and there's a lot less Bitcoin flowing onto the exchanges, which means less people are willing to sell, less people are going to sell. And so this person stated the day that Paul Tudor Jones said he was going into Bitcoin, the macro perspective of Bitcoin completely changed. And again, if everybody's pulling their Bitcoin off these exchanges, they're ready to just ride it out. Epic upside ahead for Bitcoin. Pullbacks are part of it. We know this, but long-term Bitcoin, jeez, life-changing money. You guys know this. Don't doubt it for a second. Chainlink had 29 projects that integrated with it last month. And you've got gaming, insurance, enterprise architectures, new areas that Chainlink aims to infiltrate. Chainlink's market cap has grown from $100 million to $4.2 billion. I mean, it is 42x. Amazing upside from Chainlink. Since 2017, the decentralized Oracle provider, Chainlink, has been integrated into 315 projects overall. Huge use case here. Remember, when you get these big pullbacks by these altcoins, this is a good solid coin to accumulate. Tons of upside left out of Chainlink. Waves Tech came out. They partnered with IOST. The problem right now with news is it's just not moving these markets. And so teams that are making these announcements, like now's not the time to do it. And so they'll hold on to a lot of this news until these altcoins start to turn around. Binance announced that they're going to support the Bitcoin Cash hard fork. And just talking about how they're going to deal with it. There's going to be 2 coins. People are going to buy Bitcoin Cash just to get this additional coin. Sometimes these sell off before the actual fork. But that run up is something to look forward to if you're looking for some trades, some long trades to get into. You go over to FTX right now, you can trade Trump lose or Trump win. You can essentially trade the presidential election, possibly for people that are bored with what's going on in crypto right now. One of these is going to zero. Doesn't really fit in my risk tolerance as far as my strategy goes. This is Huobi token, HT, and it's getting destroyed. So HT suddenly fell sharply. $100 million USDT was transferred. The COO was reported to be investigated, but there was no response temporarily. Panic in the Chinese market. Huobi is the largest exchange in China. People are freaking out over this. They're denying it. Huobi's denying everything that's happening. However, people are still pulling a bunch of their money off that exchange. Halfway to decentralization. So Cardano hit a major milestone in decentralization. Per IOHK, over 50% of all the blocks on Cardano are now being minted by community staking pools. Top 5 updates. So billionaire Jeffrey Gundlach he used to be a skeptic about Bitcoin, and now he's advising that you own Bitcoin. Billionaires pushing Bitcoin. Bitcoin miners' revenue from transaction fees rose by 12% in October. Dismantling nuclear warheads could be more secure via blockchain. Interesting combination. Amazon Web Services now allows you to run a private IOTA Tangle. Bangladesh first blockchain-powered cross-border trade was completed by HSBC Bangladesh. So huge banking firm. They conducted the country's first blockchain-based letter of credit on the blockchain. PewDiePie pushes crypto-powered blockchain video game. So world-famous gamer. He obviously super successful, and he's created this NFT token. So my question is, what do you guys think? Are NFT coins going to be big? Are they the next big thing? Or is DeFi going to bounce back? I definitely think DeFi is going to bounce back. After all these coins kind of get to a point, they're going to be so undervalued, buyers are going to jump in. They'll take their Bitcoin profits and they'll buy these decimated altcoins, and you'll get big bounces out of these altcoins. So be ready. Start thinking now about what coins you're going to be picking up, because if you've suffered some losses, the easiest way to make your money back in this market is to buy these oversold bounces. The game changes completely. So make sure you guys have those mapped out and you're ready to jump right into the altcoins. Brave hits a milestone. Crypto-powered, privacy-focused Brave browser has recently hit a major milestone, 20.5 million active monthly users. Utrust has now launched its powerful crypto and cash app with Visa card. Hold. So again, this is powered by Utrust. A lot of people are excited about this. Visa, Hold, Utrust. Here we go. Life-changing money. Real quick with these altcoins. So this is Bitcoin dominance. You've got this expanding, broadening, falling wedge. This was an epic altcoin season, and it lasted about 3 months. I mean, over this period of time, I think we had SXP that like 3x'd, or possibly even more. DOC went from like 50 Satoshis to 200 Satoshis, possibly even more. Like you had a bunch of coins like 2, 3, 4, 5xing right here. Okay. And so the point is, we look for this type of situation to happen again. Again, this is a mini altcoin season, but it happened over the course of 3 months, and it was epic. So now, and look, if you look here, we hit the top of this trend line, boom, move to the downside. Easy to trade alts, also turning on, double-digit gainers like crazy. Even this little move to the downside. Now, here we are again, about to hit this upper trend line. These blue vertical lines, RSI completely overbought. RSI completely overbought. RSI completely overbought. Move to the downside. Move to the downside. Move to the downside. Move to the downside. Here we are again, about to hit this trend line. RSI completely overbought. Stochastics completely overbought. Hit this, get rejected. Very important for these altcoins that this get rejected, right? If this thing breaks higher, might as well sell all your altcoins because they're just going to get completely destroyed. This pulls back, and you get any kind of move to the downside out of this guy. These altcoins are so undervalued, it's not even funny. And so you'll have this altcoin price spike happening right here. So make sure right now to start positioning yourself. Like pull up some of these charts. Right, we've got a lot of midterm holds are going to start playing out again. We'll have a lot of easy altcoin trading, a lot of upside when this happens. So just be ready. Like you have to think ahead. This is like training for the Olympics. All in here, you got to be training for the Olympics. This is the Olympics. This is where it all goes down. Right? It's all about to happen. So make sure your training and skills are up to par. This is just the beginning, says the PayPal CEO. Bullish. Man. Third quarter earnings call on Monday. The CEO of PayPal said that their user base is very eager to buy cryptocurrencies. But right now, they just extended it. Now 10% of the user base of PayPal can buy crypto via PayPal. Okay, obviously Bitcoin's offered. So he said that the demand, the waiting list and the demand is 2 or 3 times what their expectations were. Very bullish for Bitcoin. PayPal then went on to raise the crypto buying limit by 15,000 per week for eager customers. That's solid. I mean, that's a solid buying limit. 15 G's a week. Everybody just hit that, sell your stocks, buy Bitcoin. The rest of the United States, and this is why I wanted to cover this, the rest of the United States is going to get access to this within the next 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Just imagine how many millions of people will have access to buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, once this happens. Life-changing money. Can Bitcoin hit $17,000 next? Let me take you to this chart. So this is a Bitcoin weekly chart. And right now, Bitcoin's been in this rising channel. It's been epic. Okay. These can go parabolic. So a break to the upside, this thing would go parabolic and it would run up possibly even to 18,800. Okay. But it has to break through 14,000 first. These do break higher, and when they do, like happen here, you get an explosive move to the upside. So this is the idea here. You know, it could run up and tap 16,250 if that happens. Now, you would have to definitely consider the idea of a pullback. So, you know, essentially a break below about 13,250. You'd be looking for a continuation move back down here, which should still be bullish. This would be a great buying opportunity for Bitcoin, okay? Around here, around 12,000, 11,800 in this area, okay? May not happen. We may just move in this range for a period of time. Now, you do have possible bearish divergence on the histogram. The RSI is overbought, which RSI was overbought here. This blue line, you see pullback. Okay, so again, buying opportunity, but you can also buy the breakout of 14,000. I just don't know how much upside before you get some type of pullback. It's always better. Someone says, hey, should I buy Bitcoin now? It's always better to buy on a pullback, but you may not get it. My thing is this, like, okay, you might make 15 or 20% here out of Bitcoin. Let's say it runs all the way up here. You make 30, 35%. What I would say is these altcoins, you'll make 35% easily off of a trade in these altcoins when they take off. I like trading these altcoins a little bit more. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.